Hi, I'm Patrick Hopper, and welcome to the Marketing Minute. And today we are going to be talking about DevKit Weekly in under 1 minute. And today I have Ken Briodagh. Ken, steer us through the Marketing Minute and DevKit Weekly.
Absolutely. DevKit Weekly is our extremely popular unboxing show where we introduce our audience to brand new dev kits, like it says in the title. I'm going to give you a taste right now of a recent one from Contron.
The K3836Q and R MITx motherboard from Contron.
As you can see here, that's just a taste, but we also create live event versions from our brand new Dev Zone, which is sort of like a live action DevKit Weekly at events that we attend. Some of the reasons our audience love these DevKit Weeklies are, first of all, educate those engineers on some of the newest dev kits in the market. Younger engineers and established engineers that are trying to keep up with what's new and happening really love this, and the unboxing element is particularly popular. And of course, we also give away the boards. If you guys want, we can give them out, and the audience really loves those because we do a raffle at the end of each DevKit Weekly episode.
And what can you expect if you participate? Obviously, YouTube views, page views, full analytics on the campaign, email, blast reports, clicks, and then you can also incorporate a lead generation package with it. So that's it from this week's Embedded Marketing Minute. And make sure to look in the description box where you can get full description, full analytics, PDF, and few samples. And we did it, Ken, in 1:23.
Pretty close.